just play guitar. I just play guitar. I just play guitar. No, 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 no. Ooh. Fuck it. Oh, that's what. Gosh. Coffee! Yay! We got coffee this morning. Tonight, yeah, baby. Tonight, yeah, baby. And you wanna move it with you. I look like a troll. I liked when you acted all nigger, like last night.
Oh. How'd you like that baseball game last night? Pretty good, wasn't it? Goddamn tickets. Those motherfuckers were expensive. Pretty good, though. Whoever, them motherfuckers suck my dick.
Let me look at you.
What you laughing at, bitch? This shit ain't funny. I gotta get my car waxed today. Goddamn white people. Goddamn white people. Motherfuckers can't wax shit.
You talk like a black person, but you don't walk like a black person.
What's for breakfast this morning, bitch? Cook my breakfast, bitch. My slave. God damn it. Mrs. Butterworth sucks. That bitch can't do shit. God damn it. This fucking oil's gonna piss me off.
What am I doing?
What am I doing?
What are you?
God damn it. Where's my white girlfriend?
I'm right here, baby.
You the best white girl I've ever been with.
I am?
Damn right. You're the one and only white girl I've ever been with. What you doing? What's that thing for? That white thing you got in your hand?
It's a video camera. I'm videotaping
Video?
you.
What the hell's a video camera? Black people don't know what a video camera is. White people know what that shit. That's that kind of shit. Whatever it is, you have fun, honey. Yeah. It's 10 o'clock. Time to get up. Wax my car. My nice Cadillac. My caddy. My caddy. We're gonna play golf today.
Golf?
Yeah.
Black people don't play golf.
How do you know? You white. Shit.
Coffee slow.
You damn right. Damn right. Look at that. Look at that white girl. Woo-hoo.